opposite of that, trout. Alright guys, we just got the food, and here it is over here. We got the trout. So we got the trout and a lemon cake. Alright, and we got the rabbit, which is mine. Here we go guys. Let you know how it is. That's good. That's good. That trout's good too. I don't know. I think I might like the trout better. Oh, Tom Colicchio. You master of the culinary art. I just can't wait for that lemon cake. What is this thing? Little rabbit. Oh my God. Mimi, Ashley, Amin, Chase, Nancy. This lemon cake? Is the most amazing thing I have ever had. Hey guys, we just left the food truck down on Sunset and Vine, and we headed up the street a bit to Hollywood and Highland Plaza, which is right up the street as well, and it seems like we went a bit north. You can't tell, it's a huge drape that they've hung over here. It's a huge drape they've hung over the entire wall of the plaza. Apparently it's big news. The helicopter's there. But it's pretty awesome. We got Castle Black. We got Castle Black down at the bottom. And all the way up the left-hand side, you've got the elevator that goes past sight, which is pretty amazing. Yeah, then we've got the tower on the right. It's pretty awesome to me.